Good Friday afternoon, meteorologist Ryan Weekman here in the WTOL 11 Weather Center. Good to be along with you once again on a day that has been so soaked with rain. We've had showers, downpours, and at times even some thunderstorms. Things settling down just a bit as we head into the afternoon. Don't expect the clouds to clear up a whole bunch today. It's going to remain pretty cloudy and humid. As far as radar goes, yeah, there's still some scattered showers. I don't think we're going to be able to guarantee any dry time today, but it's certainly not going to rain the whole day. As you look back from where our rain is coming from, it's traveling from west to east, and it's all along this front that's straight from Cleveland all the way into the Central Plains. I'll show you that here in just a little bit. I don't think we're going to have any more downpours for the next little bit here that are going to be as intense or as heavy as they were earlier this morning. And as far as those thunderstorms go, maybe they'll pop back up later on for this evening. Here's a better inspection of what's coming our way. It's just your general occasional shower, maybe a brief little downpour, just enough to get things back and soaking wet after several hours of trying to dry out. A little bit of an uphill battle on that front today. Speaking of fronts, like I said, we've got a stalled out one that extends basically from Cleveland all the way here to Kansas and Nebraska. And that was the focal point for showers and downpours that developed last night. We've got a lot of moisture in the air, and this is one of those days where the storms and downpours are very easy to redevelop. You don't have to wait for the sun to come out and for things to warm up in a big way. These are the type of showers that like to develop even without a whole lot of sun to get the atmosphere back unsettled. Little spin in the atmosphere. I was just noticing this on satellite back towards Kansas here. So area of low pressure that's coming by. This would be what we would consider a wave in the atmosphere. Just like you have waves in the ocean, there's waves in the atmosphere. The air moves in many of the same ways that we watch water move as well. So this area of low pressure, it's going to take a long time to travel this front and reach us, but it's likely to do so tomorrow. And that's why you're going to see our chance for showers and downpours continue into the first part of your weekend. When you've got a front hanging by, there's a lot of moisture in the air, and you're getting these ripples of waves in the atmosphere. It's pretty easy to get more in the way of showers and downpours. So let's watch it right here. This is my hour-by-hour forecast. We're going to put the clock into motion, and while it starts off quiet enough early in the day, there you see some of those downpours maybe trying to pop back up later on this afternoon and this evening. I don't think they're going to last terribly long in one location, but if you get underneath one, as we found out earlier today, they can rain quite a bit in a short period of time. Advance the clock forward to tomorrow morning, and there's more of those scattered showers. Again, something to keep in mind if you have outdoor plans. I know there's so much going on this weekend. There's a pretty good opportunity that showers and downpours will redevelop during the day for your Saturday. This is that wave of energy we were talking about all the way back in Kansas. So 86 is what we'll go with for the high temperature for your Saturday forecast. There will be more of those scattered showers and downpours. As far as Sunday goes, there's still an isolated chance for a couple of showers here, but it's looking drier, and I bumped the high up to 90 degrees. I think the heat is going to be on for the second half of the weekend. This may be one of the warmer days left of the forecast. It leads into a warm start to next week before we do look at some major changes ahead. Just to keep the tally on task, 15 90-degree days now after getting up into the mid-90s yesterday. We're getting closer to that season average, around 19 90-degree days each season. High temperature trend, good chance we do it on Sunday. Monday, Tuesday are going to be awfully close, so we'll watch that. But I said that there's a change coming. Starting the middle of the week here, those temperatures fall off, and there's a pretty strong signal that we will be dealing with more mild weather as we head into early August. Maybe as mild as the 70s. How about that? In the meantime, it's all about the mugginess today and tomorrow, leading to the chance for those showers. There's the warmth Sunday and into early next week. And as our extended forecast rolls on, maybe a chance for showers in the middle of the week as that front comes through. But then once again, turning more mild as we get towards next weekend. That's the latest on our 10-day forecast. I hope you have a great rest of your Friday and weekend ahead.